Hi viewers! I dug this one out of the deep stack for all you Mexican coin fans. This is the 1911 Peso Caballito, and I've zoomed out so you can kind of try and appreciate the gorgeous toning on this coin. It is stunning. The fields are quite proof-like. As I move it across, you can see the light reflecting off of the fields. It is an absolutely gorgeous coin, and we'll get in and take a closer look and hopefully be able to see some of that toning as we move in a bit closer. There's reds and blues and obviously yellows. Let's get in as close as we can and see if those colours will still show up. I doubt they will, but we can but hope. Well, you can certainly see the reds there. Obviously these, it is from 1911, so obviously when you get in close they do have signs of usage, but it's got very little wear in comparison to some that I've had. Yeah, absolutely. Let's see if we can see those blues and reds along the bottom there. And the horse and the rays. Let's see if we can get a closer look at her. Don't know whether I can. Let's see if we can't get a bit closer. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, a lot of detail there on a very old, well, not very old, but an old coin, 1911. Even older than silver hair stacker. Gorgeous, gorgeous coin. In fact, the microscope doesn't really do it justice. It kind of looks better to the naked eye. But should we flip it over and have a look at the other side? Yeah, oh, there you can see some of the toning that side as well, showing up as I move around. Yeah, it's got some gorgeous, gorgeous colours to it. And un peso. Yeah, lovely coin, lovely coin. And a lot of detail on the eagle and snake there. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, hope you enjoyed seeing that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.